for promoting a culture. How do you promote a culture? Then you talk about law, or you have to abide by the law whether you like it or not. Let's proceed. I mean, this is distressing.
Yeah, the Commission do not agree that counter-terror financing is not the domain of ISI, since terrorism directly affects the security of the country and has been declared as existential threat. Existential threat. Therefore, choking of finances to terrorists is most essential. All law enforcing agencies, including intelligence agencies, may evolve a system where effective check is maintained. They have to work in unison.
Is not the domain of ISI. ये किधर से ले रहे हैं, उठा रहे हैं ये बात?
I don't know. Probably this is a statement which they.
Who said this?
When General Faiz Hamid recorded his statement, he said that financing is not something which the ISI looks into, and probably.
बस उन्होंने कह दिया, वो फतवा हो गया.
Further इन्होंने कुछ नहीं.
उन्होंने वो कह दिया, काफी हो गया ना.
बस फतवा ही समझ के लिख लिया बस. कुछ नहीं.
वो उनसे कैसे पूछें? इतने बासर शख्स से ऐसा सवाल कैसे पूछेंगे भाई? कैसे आपने बात कह दी? आपके पास कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं गवर्नमेंट के? बस आपने कह दिया काफी है. अगर वो कह देते हैं तो आप मान लेते उस तरफ. ठीक है ना? ऐसी चलेगा ना मुल्क.
That's right.
जी
सही कह रहे हैं सर. ये तो कोई
जनरल फैज को कितनी दफा जिक्र किया इस रिपोर्ट में?
सर ये इस रिकमेंडेशन में तो एक दफा आगे कहीं जिक्र आ रहा है.
मैंने इनका कोई नाम कई दफा पढ़ा है. लगता है बस उनका एक ही मैंडेट था कि इनको एग्जॉनरेट करना है. हमने तो कहीं लिखा ही नहीं था जनरल फैज का नाम पूरे जजमेंट में. मुझे याद नहीं आता कि मैंने लिखा था. इस जजमेंट में है
नहीं. आपने नाम तो नहीं लिखा हुआ था.
इन्होंने तो बस एक ही टास्क रखा है शायद मद्देनजर, ये मुझे करना है. वो कह रहे उन्होंने कह दिया हमारा है ही नहीं काम. बस मान ली मैंने बात उनकी. कमीशन एग्री नहीं किया उससे, मगर एग्री नहीं करते उनसे.
एग्री नहीं करते.
हाँ
एग्री नहीं करते हैं
तो उनसे कहते ना, उनको बुलाया था कि पूछते भैया आप ये बात कैसे कर रहे हो.
वो कहते हैं ना, वो शेर है.
नहीं बुलाया उनको या नहीं बुलाया?
सर फ्रॉम व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड एक क्वेश्चनर भेजा और उसका रिस्पॉन्स आया.
ओहो, हिम्मत भी नहीं की. चले आगे पढ़ते हैं.
Next para sir. The PEMRA Act may suitably be amended and composition of Council of Complaint may be reconstituted. The minimum punishment for broadcasting inflammatory material leading to violence or hatred may be suspension of license for a period of 6 months and a minimum fine of ₹1 crore and maximum of 5 crores.
ये किसने इख्तियार दिया इनको कानून साजी का? ये तो उनका टर्म ऑफ रेफरेंस में है ही नहीं. भाई जो मौजूदा कानून है उस पर अमल करवा दें कि हाँ जी ये कानून में है शेख. ये कह रहे नहीं कानून बदल दो. अच्छा भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं.
For efficient administration, the Islamabad Capital Territory may be given the status of a province with full administrative and financial authority.
चलो आइन भी तब्दील करने का इख्तियार दे दिया आपने इनको.
For efficient and effective administration, the Chief Commissioner Islamabad may also be bestowed with the powers of a Chief Secretary.
Policy making भी आ गई. और आगे चले.
Police Order 2002 may be implemented and police may be provided funds to organize police on the concept of functional specialization as provided in the order. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Police Act 2017 may also be examined and emulated in matters of posting and transfers, training and recruitment.
ये खुद तो नहीं थे खैबर पख्तूनख्वा से? हाँ
थे सर.
तो यही लग रहा है कि बस इनको कुछ है पर्सनल इशू.
Next, para 15, Islamabad Police Counter-Terrorism Department must have control of cyber crime and terror financing units.
पता नहीं इसका मतलब क्या हुआ. वो FIA का इख्तियार है अंडर द क्राइम्स, वो क्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्राइम्स एक्ट, तो उनका इख्तियार है ना FIA का.
That's right.
चलें.
16. Apart from CCTV, the special branch personnel covering events should be given video and audio recording devices as well as cameras. 17. Islamabad and Rawalpindi police both should...
I don't think they've come across something called a mobile phone, which has both audio as well as video recording. Then let's proceed.
And I don't know which additional devices are we talking about.
Everyone has a mobile phone where you can press the record button, aa jayegi recording usme.
Islamabad and Rawalpindi police both should have sufficient number of dedicated anti-riot units equipped with all necessities. The prescribed age for the constable and junior ranks from assistant sub-inspectors to sub-inspector may be 18 to 21 years. They may serve there till the age of 40, after which they may be transferred to other branches of police. A proposed model is appended as Appendix 1.
5,000 मदीद आदमी रख लो.
अब ये भाई 18 होना चाहिए, 20 होना चाहिए भाई. आपका काम है, अपना काम करके हमें दे दो अपनी इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट, ये आगे बढ़ते रहें.
The Commission observed that multiple forces doing the same job within the territorial jurisdiction nullify the concept of unity of command. Therefore, there must be one force, that is, police, to deal with issues of law and order. The resources spent on others may be diverted to Islamabad Police. Rangers and frontier constabulary have been raised for patrolling border areas. Therefore, their use in urban areas may be avoided. Punjab Police and Islamabad Police should update the list of those involved in acts of terror and other crimes during the 21 days of Dharna of TLYRA. Although a period of 6.5 years had passed, the cases may be reopened. The investigation of the cases should be processed and taken to logical conclusion in accordance with law. Regarding use of social media for illegal purposes, laws and rules should be amended to also empower police to take cognizance of offense, in particular, simple nature of cybercrime. There may be a coordination unit of Ministry of Interior, PEMRA, FIA, intelligence agencies and Islamabad Police to surveil social media against injurious material in violation of law. On the same pattern, arrangements may be made in the provinces. Next para. Commission observed that Lieutenant General retired Faiz Hamid, the then Major General DGC ISI, on behalf of security establishment had to sign the agreement as a mediator between two parties, which was with the permission of DG ISI and COAS. This was also concurred by then Interior Minister SN Iqbal and PM. Involvement of Army or its affiliated agency in pure civilian matters adversely affects the fair image of the institution. Army is a sacred arm of the state, therefore to avoid criticism, the institution may not be involved in public matters. This task may be assigned to IB and civil administration. With this, not only the confidence level of the civilian setup will be built, but also political and other opinion leaders will take them seriously.
Why is he going out of the way to mention and then exonerate this gentleman? Why the need? If we may have constituted another commission to exonerate General Faiz, then he could have written all this thing. Why is he mentioning him at every given juncture?
Yeah, sir,
the question is it your job or not? Whether I give, it's like saying that the Chief Justice gave permission to his tenor to issue the judgment. But the question is, did he have the authority or not?
While responding to the TORs where they had to fix responsibility, तो वहाँ पे नहीं fix की है. वहाँ पे तो IG पंजाब का ही सिर्फ जिक्र किया था. वहाँ पे अगर responsibility fix नहीं की है तो recommendation में it's counterintuitive. It doesn't make sense. कि अगर आपने वहाँ पे नहीं किया तो यहाँ क्यों कह रहे हैं?
What does he mean by army is a sacred arm of the state? What does this even mean? Is it constitutional language? Is it legal language? Army is part of the federal government under the Ministry of Defense. What is the sacred arm of the state? मतलब ये तो लग रहा है इन काम पर हैं. क्या हो रहा है इनको मेंबरों को? Sacred arm of the state, भाई. Why is the judiciary less sacred? The parliament less sacred? I'm really surprised at this level of officer. कौन से grade के थे ये लोग?
They were two former inspector generals of police.
Grade what? 21, 20 क्या होता है?
So I think both of them retired in BS 21. They did serve as IGs but retired in BS 21.
Very good. हम तो उनको दूर रख रहे हैं, तो फिर एक तरफ आप उनको exonerate भी कर रहे हो, दूसरा तरफ आप कह रहे हो इधर they contradict itself. It should be kept away from purely civilian matters. Fully agree. Then why did they sign it? Simple सी बात है, चाहे वो जो मर्जी जो उनको permission दे दे. लोगे जी मतलब what difference does giving a permission mean? Was there permission given in writing? कोई उन्हें सवाल पूछा उनसे?
There is nothing there in the statement of General Affairs, which reflects whether there was a statement,
Bas,
permission
मैं कह
was
दिया
granted
काफी।
in writing. He responded and they accepted it.
And the whole nation had its eyes fixed on this, and this is what they produce. What does this mean? Next one. Intelligence Bureau being the erstwhile agency.
In coordination with civil administration and police may be given lead role in matters of internal security having repercussions on public order.
Achha bhai, okay. Who's stopping them?
Punjab government's role in keeping themselves away from the issue and letting the protesters of TLYRA enter Islamabad without any resistance due to fear of threats to their lives and apprehension of losing their vote bank could not be appreciated. This was a
They
wish.
be resisted. If someone wants to come to Islamabad to protest, can you stop him? Unless he is coming with guns and axes, वो तो एक अलग बात है.
Well, and it's kind of interesting. They say that there were fear of threats to their lives and then apprehension of losing their vote bank. I don't know how this was figured out, but this was omission of duty to enforce law, not only a misconduct, but also violation of the oath of the public.
Where did they get this bit about fear of losing of their vote bank? ये कहाँ से मिला उनको?
I have no idea because there were two statements.
Did they call the TLP? Did they call
No, not even
the political parties concerned कि आपको खौफ था वोट बैंक आपका कम हो जाए, तो ये किस बेसिस पे स्टेटमेंट्स दे रहे हैं ये?
ये किसी ने भी अपनी स्टेटमेंट पे, as far as I have read, किसी
This is
political leader
a
ने भी ये
highly
नहीं कहा कि
charged
हमें
political document which seems to be put forward to settle some personal scores. Or